अगर आपका जीएस फाउंडेशन का कोर्स अप्रैल के महीने तक चल रहा है और आखिरी के महीनों में 2 से 3 क्लासेस पैरेलली चल रही है, तो there's a very logical question that how you're going to write the pre of that year.
Most foundation program mainly focus prelims examination. Rather, good foundation program should focus both prelims and mains examination in the form of coverage of the static, dynamic and applied part.
We finish the course at least 100 days before the pre of that year.
आज आपको ये भी याद रखना है कि जो फैंटास्मागोरिया जो सोशल मीडिया का मायाजाल है उससे भी आपको बचना है ताकि आपका प्रिपरेशन सही दिशा में चल सके।
Let's do a foundation that works for you.
Clear direction.
टाइमली डिलीवरी।
Strong foundation.
Hello everyone, my name is Preeti AC. I have secured All India Rank 263 in the UPSC CSE 2024. I hail from Mysore district of Karnataka. This was my third attempt. I did my graduation in BSc Agriculture. After that, I did Masters in Agriculture Economics from Banaras in the University of Varanasi. In this video, I want to tell you about importance of Topper's Notes, and I used Topper Notes extensively in my UPSC journey. So I wanted to explain how we can use Topper's Notes in our preparation and how we should compile their notes and add their notes in our own notes. For example, I did my entire UPSC journey through self-study. So at times I felt that I didn't have a proper notes for specific subjects and specific topics. So then I decided that I can rely upon Topper's Notes, and it worked for me like a game changer. For example, I can say that firstly I want to say that how I use Topper's Notes in my preparation. Secondly, which are all the Topper's Notes I used. And thirdly, how we should not use Topper's Notes in our preparation. Firstly, how I use Topper's Notes in my preparation. First, I chose toppers according to their marks. I gone through their mark sheets and I found out that some toppers are scoring really good marks in their subjects, particular subjects. For example, Shruti Sharma ma'am, she scored around in GS to around 128. So I rely on her notes on polity for polity, and Manda Patki sir notes also for polity. But here is that the basic books are mandatory. We should not forget basic books and entirely rely on the Topper's Notes. We should supplement our basic notes with the Topper's Notes. In that way, you can use Topper's Notes. And secondly, if for example Topper's Notes are in a handwritten form, I use their notes and I rewrite their notes in my own handwriting. If their notes are available in the typed form, I use their notes directly. For example, Manda Patki sir notes are mostly in the typed form, so I use their notes directly in my preparation. Second question is, which are all the Topper's Notes I used? Here, I want to divide the Topper's Notes resources into two parts. One is prelims part and one other is mains part. In prelims part, I extensively used Manda Patki sir notes because he made notes on each and every topics of prelims. For example, he made notes on the constitutional bodies and statutory bodies and river systems, so that he made all the notes that are required for the prelims preparation in a crisp manner, and that too in a chart form, so that we can directly use his notes for our prelims preparation. For mains, I used 4 Topper's Notes. For example, Shruti Sharma, Jayant Nahata, Manda Patki and Dhatri Reddy ma'am notes. In that, Shruti Sharma notes are used for polity, economy and society, and Jayant Nataha sir notes I extensively used in my mains preparation because he made notes on each and every topic. For example, we usually don't find notes for environmental geography, but he made notes on that also. So I used his notes extensively. And Mandar Patki sir notes, I supplemented his notes with Jayant sir notes. And Dhatri Reddy ma'am notes for agriculture part, I used her notes. So in this manner, I used their notes in my preparation. Thirdly, how we should not use Topper's Notes in our preparation. Some people, what they do is they directly rely upon the Topper's Notes and neglecting the basic books. We should not do that because basic notes and basic resources are common for everybody, and we should focus on them first. Secondly, we should go for the Topper's Notes for value addition. Because I did not have the luxury of going to foundation course for general studies, I relied upon the toppers notes. If you people have a coaching notes or something else, you can supplement those notes with a toppers copy, because in toppers copy we have committees names, data are handy in their notes, so we can supplement it, that those notes with our notes. How, that's how you can use their notes, but we should not blindly depend on the toppers notes. This is my kind suggestions, because we may fail in not having conceptual clarity at times. So we should depend on the basic books firstly, and secondly we should go for the toppers notes. This is my suggestion. Thank you everyone for watching me on DKT.